to let you know what the gender is.
Hello guys, good evening. Today is February 18, 2020. And as I promised sa aking previous vlog, yung nag-announce ako na alam na namin yung gender ng aking pinagbubuntis. Ngayon, nandito ako sa office ni Frank para magsamok-samok. He's there. Still working. And then, we prepared something na para ma-announce namin yung gender ng aming second baby. So, hinhinaan ko yung boses ko guys kasi kakatulog lang ni Francine at ang kids din natutulog na sa sa katabi na room. So, mahina medyo yung boses ko pero I think it's enough para madinig nyo. So, we will show you now guys sa aming ang gender. So, anong guess nyo? What do you think your guess? The way I look now? Kasi nung kang Francine, ibang-iba ngayon sa pinagbubuntis ko ngayon. Pero, walang masyadong kaartihan ngayon. So, I see Frank yung may prepare ako dito guys. Na ito. Alam na ni Frank actually din ang gender. Alam na namin dalawa guys ha. Alam na namin since December I think na. We knew the gender before I fly na. Before kami.
November we knew already.
No, December. November is too early. Last December na alam na namin yung gender tapos since ako lang ang pumunta doon, syempre malalaman ko talaga, wala kasi siya. So since excited kay ko sa Philippines, wala na ko pakialam. So hindi ko muna siya in-announce by filming, pero family ko na alam na nila. So this time kayo naman ang aming inform about sa gender ng aming next baby. So here, wanna say something? You're so quiet.
I'm speechless.
So
I am so speechless.
I think I put you here.
We have to talk quiet because
Yeah.
the kids are sleeping.
Yeah, I already explained that.
1, 2, 3.
Don't take out directly, huh?
So what should to let you know what the gender is.
Can you read that?
Wait, I go.
It says cool little brother, so it's a baby boy. Guys, it's a baby boy now, so parang sinadya ng tadhana. It's my hindi naman sa ingon, hindi sa gustong-gusto yung wish ko talaga, pero parang all are answered prayers for me. And ewan ko lang kang Frank. What's your thought, Frank, nung nalaman mo baby boy? When you knew that it's a baby boy?
I was speechless.
Yun lang yung masasabi. Speechless?
Yeah.
Seriously, honestly from your heart.
Yes.
Why?
Do I have to say this?
See, no, it's okay. Si Frank natatakot siya pag
And he's gonna watch it like 20 years later, and then what's he gonna think then?
Yeah, but it's okay. Si Frank guys, natatakot siya na boy kasi daw baka mahirap i-raise. I say it in our language
Yeah, I
na.
know, yeah.
You're afraid that he's gonna be, bad boy. Pero sa akin, it's okay. It's like a challenge.
Who's
Pero,
the bad is me or him?
on my side actually, hindi talaga ako hindi ako natatakot, pero of course, it's my first baby boy, no? Dalawa na yung girls ko. It's really like, feeling na ako, yung sa clothing, about sa, it's really new. So, it's Frank's turn then in that case. Kasi, you have experience with the boy, so you're gonna teach me everything. It's for me, akala ko at first talaga, may feeling na ako na boy talaga kasi the way I act and the way yung tinatamad ako, ayaw kong maligo. Tapos ibang-iba nung sa kang Francine ang arte-arte ko, lagi akong nagme-makeup, then I like wearing yung mga clothes na not high heels. But this, have you thought of also that it's a baby boy? When we didn't know yet?
I didn't
Do
want
you
to
have a
have
feeling?
it true. I had a feeling,
You
but
have
I
a feeling?
didn't want to have
Because
it
it's
true.
the difference, na?
Yeah.
Because on Francine, I suffer too much on this next one. Hindi masyado, then I'm not really fan of shower. And not even my hair. I don't like to one. So I have a feeling already na baby boy talaga siya.
So we have a feeling also what the boy is going to be like.
But you were there now in the ultrasound? With this?
Yeah, and she said it's a boy. She said it very early.
Yeah, it's not.
She said it very early. It was November, if not earlier.
No, December.
even.
No, December. I know that before my flight.
It was before your flight. November
Yeah,
is also
no,
before your flight.
Baby, December. It was December. Andun pala siya. Akala ko, ako lang yun. So are you happy?
I'm happy anyway. Whatever comes from you, I'm very happy. As long as he's safe and sound and healthy.
Yeah, yun naman talaga importante, no? So
Everything else, 5 will manage.
yeah. So Francine will have a little brother soon. The only boy here at home. So can you end the video? It's 8 minutes.
What about the card?
Yeah, I made a card also here, but I didn't finish to really write, so I just say here, we cannot wait to see you, our baby boy.
Yeah.
So it's a baby boy, guys, once again. So okay na, partner na. Girl and boy. I have a girl. I have 2 girls and 1 boy. Frank has 2 girls, 2 boys. It's okay, Frank. That's life.
So altogether we have got 4.
Frank is it seems like you have a good call.
Let's see.
So that's all for tonight, guys. It's already almost 11 p.m.
Yeah.
3 minutes at 11 na. Ngayon lang kami nag-film nito para mas peaceful. So you end the vlog this time? If you are watching really my vlog, you know how I end it.
Yeah,
But what?
I'm sure I know. You have to cut that.
So
Don't forget to subscribe and like, or like and subscribe, whichever way. Just do both.
yeah. So good night, guys. And
Good
see you
night.
again on my next video. Bye-bye. Sound.
Listen to the news now.
So